Hello everyone, welcome back to Audible Pro YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to treat your home studio acoustically. Acoustic treatment is the process of controlling the sound energy within a venue. It may be a home studio, professional studio, restaurant, auditorium, or any other venue which conduct any sound related activities. You should consider about the acoustics of that venue. I repeat, you should consider the acoustics. If not, your clients or even yourself will not be comfortable within that venue. This topic can be discussed under few subtopics. Let's consider one by one. A recording studio is a space designed to record raw sounds at very low background noise levels. So it should be soundproofed. Once you soundproof a room, there will be hard surfaces at each boundaries of your room. Those hard surfaces will add additional colors to your recorded sound. The second point is about monitoring. A recording studio usually is not designed only for recording, but also for monitoring. Studio monitors are the type of speakers that we are using in a studio to monitor what we recorded or what we produced. A good studio monitor is time aligned and capable of producing flat frequency response. Assume that you have the best studio monitors in the world. They will become just a pair of speakers if you are not treated your studio acoustically. A recording studio is a place that should be able to hang out for hours without any distractions. Your ears also should be able to relax within a recording studio. If your space is not treated acoustically, your ears will be tired within a very short period of time. If I simplify, your room will not be a recording studio till you treat it acoustically. Treating a room acoustically is not a simple approach. You should consider dimensions of your room, materials of boundaries, what are the equipment you are going to use in the studio, and what are the furniture you are going to put in the studio. Many more things to consider. So where should you start? I'm going to list out few things that you will require essentially to treat your home studio in the priority order as a starting point. As I mentioned earlier, this is only a starting point and this treatment will not fix the entire acoustics of your room. Obviously now you may have a problem of where you need to install those panels. You may have some idea about corner bass traps, but where do you need to install all other panels? For that, I already did a video on how to calculate early reflection points of a room. If you are familiar with mathematics, I'll put the link and you can calculate your early reflection points. For those who are not familiar with mathematics, I'll put a link on there is a small technique to find early reflection points using a mirror. I'll put a link in the description. You can check and find your reflection points very easily. Keep in mind, all those reflection points are dependent of speaker placement and your listening position. So my next 3 videos will be based on the following topics. You can comment and let me know what should be the next video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe Audible Pro on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and all other social media platforms. And stay tuned for next video.